Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Ari. Is anything the matter?
Oh yes, a lady is at the gate. She's among the girls that came. She says she could not meet up because her stepmother tried stopping her. But she's here. She also says she's an orphan.
An orphan?
Oh yes.
Well, I was told that the girls are not complete yet. Let her in, let me see her.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's okay.
Babe, calm down now, take it easy. Why are you washing your food like that?
Shut your dirty mouth.
Yeah.
However way I choose to eat is none of your business.
The one where they vex me, so you they chop like thief, you still they speak English.
What it concern you?
Ew! What kind of food is this? I can't eat it! I can't eat it! It's trash! Who made this food?
What's the way making it?
Oh, my days,
Mind how you behave in this palace. Are you trying to say you don't eat this kind of food in Canada? Where did you come from?
I can't eat it! I can't eat it! I cannot eat it!
I'm gonna go eat it before.
Who made this food?
Right, alright, come. Come. Let's go. We want to go see the king.
Thank you, Gateman, for allowing me inside.
Stop calling me gate man. My name is Harry, right? I'm not your gate man. Oh yeah, move. Let's go. Okay.
Ari?
Yes.
She the one?
Yes.
Igwe, please, I'm sorry. I'm an orphan who lives with her stepmother. She humiliates me all the time. She didn't want me to come because her daughter failed the first audition. I'm so sorry, sir. Please don't send me away.
It's okay, stand up. Ari,
My king.
find a place to fix her.
Okay.
I want them to be two in a room.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
I will do that, my king. You're doing it.
You want your car, so ya can chop. Odoze bayo, obigwe, odoziako. You want your car, so ya can chop. Odoze bayo, obigwe, odoziako. Ngwanu gige kwere.
Oh, sorry, sir, you made this food?
Yes, I can't see go. I prepared it.
I cannot eat it.
See?
I can't eat it.
Eat it.
Ossie, she cannot eat it.
You cannot eat it.
I want something nice.
Okay, eat it. So what do you want me to do?
I mean, I want you to...
Oga, please, don't mind this silly girl. Madam, why you won't use this guy's shine? This guy lead period. Just won't make her shine.
Shut up!
Get out! Shut up!
Okay, I want something nice like bacon, you know, coleslaw, nice stuff in there.
Go slow.
It's not go slow.
Okay, at least can I have bacon?
Okay, sorry. Forgive my manners. You know, I know what is beacon. Beacon. There's one at the back of this place, but the man that put it on the ground has built house there, so the beacon has left.
Can I have something nice?
Give her Gary to soup. Maybe not Gary.
Do you want fufu? Do you want
What? Apple?
Yes.
I don't want apple.
Yeah.
I want something nice, okay?
It's alright. Let me go and do something for you. Let me go and look for something.
Okay, thank you.
Let me look for Canada food.
Okay, thank
Canada
you.
food.
Okay.
Or you can...
No, you listen to me. Whenever I talk, you shoot shit. Shut up!
Please, you people should not fight. There's camera here.
This is nice.
Igwe is watching. Igwe is watching. No, let me bring something else.
Igwe is watching.
Igwe is watching. There's camera here.
They can fight now. Chef, your food is so good.
You can use this one. Surian has two. No. Let me come.
You guys should fight.
I'm gonna pass out when I eat this food.
Shut
I can't
up.
eat it.
Okay, welcome. So, Here is your room. And you'll be here with one of the girls because Igwe said you all should be 2 in a room.
Wow. This place is beautiful, very fine. Jesus.
So why did you come late?
Madam, it's because of my stepmother. But don't worry, I'm happy now.
So when you settle in, you come down and join them for lunch.
Where is the place? I'm very hungry. Let me go now, Seth. I'm hungry.
Alright, just drop your bag and I'll take you down.
Okay.
Don't leave it here. Follow me.
Thank
you. Guys, you see, these girls make sense. I mean, those girls here, if not for what Igwe said, would have disturbed them. Seriously.
Don't dare. I got one now. Already disturbance. Don't dare. But that one that came last, yes, I think she came from a poor background.
Yes, I saw her. You know, what this girl needs is maintenance.
Okay.
Yes, only the ego. She's beautiful, you know.
Amo, these girls needs to be disturbed. Huh? I need to get handsome. Do that to her somehow.
If not for what Igwe said, we'll find her.
What Igwe said, will he know? Huh? How will he know? You won't. Let me tell you something now. You have to code your way smoothly so that Igwe will not see you. Don't you think so? But our prince will really enjoy when he comes back. Look at their waists. Our prince will be, one after the other. I envy him.
But before then, we need to test some of them. Yes, now, one for you, Zabo.
Tester.
Yes, we need to test some of them. Can't you see the other way? Can't you see how the other one was just looking at me?
Let me warn you. Let you not be the one I like that you're going for. Huh? See that pin one?
Go
back to your duty. Go back to your
Let me tell you, see, if you choose the other one, I'll choose that one.
You can't just leave everybody for this guy. Okay?
Who is that? Who does she think she is? Who is her father? Why would she come here and try to intimidate us? As per waiting now.
I wonder. But babe, use your sense. You have to calm down.
Calm down for what? No, I don't understand. Calm down for what? See, if that girl tries me, I swear I will beat her up.
You go ask now. The Igwe will disqualify you. Is that what you want?
You say waiting. Waiting, I hear you talk. Disqualify who? Igwe will not try it. Even if he does because of that girl. If I don't kill that girl, but you know my mama upon me. No, she has too much money. And she came back from Canada. What is she doing here? What is she looking for here? Why you tell me? Did you not eat that food?
I did.
What was wrong with the food?
Pay no attention to her. Maybe it's not the kind of food she's used to. You know she's from over there and she might not be used to this kind of food now.
Talk say I no get sense. No, talk say you no get sense. You be mumu. What do you mean she's from over there? She just came down from people where they know they chop food. What was in that plate? Was it not food? See, me, I don't target that girl. I don't target her. Let her try me. May she just fall for my trap. Let me use this one as pass mark for her.
Madam, easy. Easy.
Let me take off my dress. Maybe when I relax, I will think of putting my food to that. Okay. Just see how she dey buga, spread like malaria, spread like bedsheet for everywhere. They talk nonsense.
I hope this one will be okay for you.
Bros, this food no go reach me. Bros, this food too good. Now you cook am.
Lamina.
I beg, I dey hungry. Go bring more.
You see? You did not eat at home before coming.
Bros, no go understand.
But give me more food. Get fufu.
Of course, we have fufu, but our soup has finished. We don't have soup again. Yes. Chineke. Take it easy. This is not Jesus' restaurant. Take it easy, Bakambabu.
Why are you eating that way?
Now I'm watching the cathedral.
Bros, thank you for allowing me enter this place. This place correct though. Very gang something. Since I just did see food. I never eat this kind of food once in my life. I need to try and top self.
Are you okay? Are you sure she's okay?
What do you have me say?
Bros.
She will finish our food before the prince come back.
Bros, no worry, I could gist you about my life later. Yeah, make I finish this food. Who give me the fufu now? You say you no get soup. I will use stew to eat it. Bring the fufu.
Get her the food.
I should bring for her?
Yes. Go bring food.
Go
bring food.
About Jesus Christ restaurant.
Shebi she want eat. Get her food.
Thank you. God bless you.
Oiji pipe, Obia. It's alright. No, quick pipe.
But you have to be careful how you eat because we have enough here. These ones are here to marry the prince. I fear for this kingdom.
Babe, what do you mean? Why should Abigail be angry? You're talking rubbish. Why should she not be angry? I mean, why would the girl treat that boy the way she did? If she didn't like the food, she should have simply said so. Listen, you girls need to learn some class and behave like humans.
Bia. Which one is we girls? Am I among?
Of course you are. Tomorrow now, you start your own. You don't show for your body so you get her.
I beg. Take it easy, oh. Is it because I'm in this house with you? Do you know me before? Do you know why I'm outside? Do you know who I know? I'm not your mate, oh. I am not on the same level with you. So respect yourself. See this girl, oh.
You know my problem with you? My problem with you is that you blab too much. No wonder they say an empty vessel makes the loudest noise. Yes? Because indeed, you're not my mate, but then you came into this palace with me to compete for the heart of the prince. What does that make you? My subordinate, not just my mate. You are my subordinate. What can I tell you? All this rubbish where you don't they do. I can't they boner. No means I they fear you. They hear me so. What's your problem?
What did you just say?
You heard me.
You talk. Fuck am again if I hear you. What did you say?
Listen to me. The fact I'm small doesn't mean you can intimidate me. Do you understand? My problem with you is that you talk too much. None of which you execute. You go beat me. You go press my neck. You go do this one. Which one you don't do? Babe, let me tell you. I don't talk. If I wanted to beat you, you would feel the beating. I wouldn't be talking. You do any, I go see any. Now, king are the respect. Hey. I will drag you, go get. Beat you blue, black. Wear white. My cloth don't go stain. I go beat you like snake.
Make me go.
God, they talk.
Make me go. I go press this on neck with the bell like tolo.
If you they talk, they press sound. You too young. Who caused you like this? Now like this, them burn you. I be wahala. They follow you.
They clap for the person we pray for you come. They clap say king dey here. Yes, they pray. They thank God. If not for this king we dey here, girl, what you go see for this room?
Hey, you know by the time I am married to the prince, I was planning to treat you nicely based on say before we did one room. But you see when I married prince, you go lie down and go waka for your body. Bet my hand.
I like your dream. Maybe the dream they go.
You suppose like
the dream they go.
Everybody they like waiting.
I like your positivity. Don't carry me play, oh. Don't carry me play. Don't they look me like this. I go mess you up, oh.
You not even reach
where I won't carry.
You not reach where I won't carry.
I go mess you up.
I go put you down, waka on top of you. You too they talk because I swear it since if you intimidate me. You do anyhow, babe. I go take you outside, humble you, beat you like snake.
We need to go outside.
Okay.
We don't need to reach outside.
How
you know me and you in this room, eh? One day I will close eyes and I will see you. Lie down, press you down like trailer.
Now there I go show you say na pin I be. I know say you big, na balloon you be. But me na pin I be. As you try I go be pin. I go bout to power. You go scatter everywhere.
I like you.
You suppose.
I like your moral.
I don't do it before.
Girl, I go do you something. Ready for me and you for this room.
Ready for me and you, I go show you.
I ready for me and you for this palace. You go slap me. You go remember this thing when I talk. You talk.
I go enter you. I go enter you.
So rich.
Ezi want radio car. So ya kana cho. Odoze bayo. Obigwe. Odoze ako. Ezi want radio car. So ya kana cho. Odoze bayo. Obigwe. Odoze ako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere. Ezi bagwa. We heard you, I'm Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ezi bagwa.
Why are you the one cleaning?
Bros, the place dirty now. Normally as I eat finish, I suppose clean the table. Thank you for the food though.
No. This is not your job. We have people that do that. Why do Jane allow you to be doing this? Where is she?
Who is Jane?
Jane!
Yes, you called me.
Why do you girls allow her to be the one cleaning?
Is that why you're shouting my name? Did I ask her to clean?
What did you say? So I'm shouting at you, right? Anything they worry for her. You want to make I watch you?
Let me free me now. Free me, Harry. What is it? Free me, please.
Bros, I beg no bitter. My woman she be. I beg.
See, just drop that thing now. Drop him. I beg. I don't want to make anybody come here and shout for me. It happened.
Jane. So I'm now anybody. I'm now anyone, Abby.
Hey.
You know why I leave you now? I wound you now. Shut up!
Bros, calm down. Bros, take am easy. No do this girl anything. See, make I tell you something. I come from a poor home. You see this table when I clean now. Now shaking it for me. It don't mean anything. If you say the kind of work they do for my house, you go to say this one as small thing. As I did like this, I feel even sweep this full house. Nothing.
Stop him. No cover here, come the form good girl. What is it? Allow him now. Why are you shouting at me? Security shout at me for what? They employed you the same way they employed me. I started working here before you. Don't forget.
Amara, go to your room now. Keep this. Let her do it. Go to your room. Do it now. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see.
Hey. Take am easy.
I beg, come on for here. Come on. Now you come to say, man, take a meeting. Come on for here. Nonsense. Take a easy. What was me now?
What are you even doing here? Why did I bring you to this room? I mean, who kept you here? Who dumped you here? Why didn't you go to the other room? Listen up. I do not want you to disturb me, alright? Ew.
Sorry, sister. I will not disturb you.
Who is your sister? Who is your sister? My sister is not dirty. My sister is not dirty. Okay? Listen up. Just take your dirty stuff and put them up the wardrobe. Alright? Oh my days.
Please stop insulting me. It's not fair.
Insulting you? Who is insulting you? Listen, I don't have time for this emotional blackmail, alright? Just move your things out of my way. I don't want stench. Please.
I'll do that, but please, do not insult me. I have not done anything bad to you.
You dare not. Do you know where I came from? Canada. Is it because I'm here to compete with you over the prince? That's why you're looking down on me? Not to worry. Once the prince comes back, oh my days, I will be the only one he will dine with, because he cannot dine with you rascals. Never.
Don't worry. If he chooses you, I'll leave. But for now, please, do not kill me.
Who wants to kill you? Please, your space is that way. Like, that way.
Okay.
Ew.
Sibu, can you imagine? Am I her mate? Eh? If she tries this again, I will beat her up, and I'm serious about it.
Calm down, okay? Jane, why did you allow that girl clean up the place she was eating? Why did you do that?
Your Highness, they were all there eating. I didn't know when she finished and she started cleaning everywhere. The next thing, Harry jumped out and started shouting at me.
I started shouting at
You did!
It's okay, Ari. I said calm down. Calm down. Now listen to me, both of you. I do not want this to repeat itself again. I give Ari the express order to walk around and supervise everything that is going on in this palace. Is that understood? You are not his mate. You are supposed to give him that respect at all points in time. Do I make myself clear? Good. And as for those girls, we have our own plans for them. So do not make them do what we don't want them to do. At least not for now. When the time comes, we shall know. Is that okay?
Okay, Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Good. Ari, please forgive her.
Jesus, Father, I will see to the end of this competition. No evil form against me shall prosper in the name of Jesus. I suck this surrounding and this.
What is the meaning of Jesus? What is the meaning of this? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Can't you pray in your mind? Can't you just bring it down a little? A little? What is this?
Sister, is anything wrong with praying? Don't you know it's only prayers that can see us to the end of this competition?
Excuse me, I never said there's anything wrong with prayers. I'm only saying there are two people in this room. You pray in your mind. That is all I'm going to chase you out of this room. I am going to chase you out of this room.
You will chase me out as what? See, I am respecting you. You better be very careful. Nobody can come in between me and my God, not even you.
Oh, you shouting at me?
Who are you?
You are shouting at me.
If I shout, what will happen?
What will happen?
Be very careful.
It's okay. It's fine. I am going to report you to His Royal Majesty and he's going to throw you out.
Report now?
Idiots! You're shouting at me. You're praying. Can't you pray in your mind? Look at you.
Father, in the name of
Jesus. You are mad. You crazy. You have done cray. You are stupid. You're an idiot.
Let that person be destroyed in the name of Jesus. Nobody can come in between me and my God.
You're very stupid.
Father, you will take me to the end of this competition.
Look at you.
Anybody that wants me to pray to your God for you, Father,
get away. Get away.
In the name of Jesus.
Get away.
What is all this now?
Is this what I will endure for a month in this palace? What kind of a big is this? That's big. Oh, Abigail! Sleepwear, what is it now? Want to bust my ear? What is it? What's the problem? You're snoring and you're disturbing my peaceful sleep.
Inapwala! So that is why you woke me up from this sweet sleep? Because I was snoring. Yeah? This is the last one in Cartoon Network. If you try it again, look at this idiot. That's why you woke me up.
Abigail! Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me now?
One more. You're still hitting me. This is the last time I'm warning you. If I'm sleeping anytime and you touch me, I will pull your eyelash. Rubbish.
Abigail, you are trying me, oh. You're trying me. You want me to slap you back now so that they will say the both of us are fighting?
Oh, you're looking for who to get disqualified with you.
You are a witch. A white witch. Yes.
This is the last time I'm warning you. If you ever in your life touch me again when I'm sleeping, you will not like yourself. You will not like it. They complain for snore. They are complaining for snoring.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Dirty girl. For money you go be fine girl, you go package. Nyash go dey, breast go dey. For night you go dey snore like cow. Dog. Goat. No dey shame. No, this body wants a marry prince. You want kill her with snoring. They go feel say evil spirit there.
What are you doing here?
I'm trying to get some sleep. The girl in my room, she snores a lot. She doesn't know how to sleep. I tried to talk to her and she slapped me.
Why would she do that?
Obviously, she wants me to fight her so they can chase me out of this palace. But I just want to sleep here until morning.
No, you cannot sleep here, right? It's not good to sleep here. Why not join me to my room? I stay alone, so don't worry yourself.
Really?
Oh yes, I stay alone, right? Just join me. Tomorrow morning you go back to your room, right? Nobody will see you, nobody will see you.
Hope I won't get into any form of trouble.
Not at all, not at all. I stay alone like I said, right? Just join me. Tomorrow morning you go back to your room, okay?
Okay.
Join me.
Ezi wanye di oka, oso ya kanacho. Odoze banyo, obigwe, odoze ako. Ezi wanye di oka, oso ya kanacho.
Your room is very nice.
Oh yes.
It looks like ours.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, all rooms here look so nice. Besides, I'm not an ordinary guard. I'm Igwe's personal advisor.
Wow. I see. No wonder your uniform. It looks a little bit different from the others. And I must say, you're quite good looking.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Well, there's something I will tell you. Igwe is my mother's cousin. So we are related. And you know what that means? I have powers in this palace. I have powers to help determine who the prince will marry. Just that you girls are not ready. Some of you are so dumb.
Wow! Well, hold on. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Of course, I'm very sure.
Wow! That means I'm so lucky to have met you this night.
Well, yes.
God.
If you're smart, you know what I mean? If you're smart, you up your game. And when you do that, I will use my powers in this palace to help you make it work. Because the prince is my distant cousin. So in no distant time, he will be back. And when he comes, I am sure I will be among the people that will help him get the bride.
Wow!
The ball is in your court.
Like...
You know what I mean?
I feel so lucky right now.
But you know what I mean?
I understand.
Guy, wake up. Wake up, guy. Stand. Something just happened.
What is it? Why did you wake me?
I saw Harry now entering his room with one of the girls.
Sorry, how? That's a lie.
I can't lie to you, guy. Just go to his room. You hear them talking. And he would always tell us not to near them.
Are you serious? So this is what these guys been doing in this palace?
I'm serious.
You see these girls?
Yes.
We will count them census one after the other before the prince comes back. Don't worry, I have my plans.
Wait. How would we do it? I mean, what will we tell them?
Are you a mugu? I said that I have a plan. Don't worry. Cool down. I have plans. Let me just... Don't worry.
That is by the way. I want to go out. It's okay.
I hope I'm safe if I'm close to you in this palace. I don't want any trouble. All I want is anything that will make me get to the final and be chosen by the prince.
I've told you how powerful I am. Well, we have to make this a secret, okay? I wouldn't want anyone to know about what's going on between us.
Yes.
So anytime you are out of this room, pretend as if you don't know me, okay? Maybe towards in the night, you'll just come around and we'll have a nice time together.
Okay, please, I'm fine with that. It's better this way. Because the others, they don't know you're close to the king and they will keep looking down on you. That will favor me.
Oh yes. They look down on me. Especially that girl called Tessie.
Oh, please forget about that idiot. So tell me, what do you want me to do for you now?
You know. You already know. You can't be in my room this night and we will not enjoy ourselves. But I want to assure you something. I will talk to the Igwe tomorrow morning about you.
Oh my God, for this, I will give you a kiss.
I'm waiting.
What is it? What is the meaning of this? Am I now the one that made you lose the audition? Why can't you come inside the house and help me with the house chores? What is all this?
Mama, you're seeing my nails, ba? I did this nails because of this same audition. See my hair. Now, that stupid Amara is in the palace enjoying herself and you want me to stay here and kill myself? Mama, I cannot kill myself for you. I can only do the one my strength to take me. I will not kill myself. What is it?
Hey! Juliet, so I am now your problem.
Mama, you are part of my problem. Because if you are not my problem, you will not allow that stupid, wretched looking girl to go to that palace and stay. She's there enjoying herself and I'm here suffering. Do you want me to kill myself for you?
Yeah. What do you want me to do, this girl? You did not win the audition. Simple. Go inside there and
Mama, do those. If I did not win it, then make a way for me to get there. If see, you will not have peace in this house, so you will not have peace as long as I'm not in that place competing with that stupid girl. You will never have peace. And don't disturb me again. You see those chores? Go and do it. If you cannot do it, go and call Amara from that palace. Let her come and do it.
Juliet,
Mama,
look at how your mouth is running. Ta 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 ta. Simple audition, you cannot pass it. But you are here running mouth.
By the time you enter the house and wash those dishes, you know how it feels. Shebi, you allow that stupid girl to go to the palace and she's there enjoying herself. You want me to stay here and suffer? See, I will not kill myself in this house for you.
Go in there and wash those dishes.
Come and drag me now. You want me to come here and stay and suffer? Leave me alone, no.
Juliet! Juliet!
What is it?
When am I should be cooking? Hi! God, what kind of temptation is this one now? Eh? Amara. Let me see how you will succeed in that palace. I will frustrate you. So what? Let me go and watch
Let me warn you. You see that display of stupidity you put up last night? As far as we are still in this palace, don't you ever in your life try that nonsense again. Don't repeat it again. I hope I've made myself clear. Miss Kokwe, you're trying me. Oh. You're seriously provoking me. You see that nonsense you did last night? Don't ever try it again. Because if you do, this palace will be too hot for the both of us. Let's see who will get expelled. Oh, you're talking about expulsion. You're just a fool. A common fool, that is what you are. You know my father is one of the cabinet chiefs and you're here talking about expulsion. That will not happen. But let me warn you again. That is because I don't want issues. If you try and wake me up whenever I am sleeping, you will not like me. You're not going to like the other side of me. I don't get joy. Ha! Abigail, are you not ashamed of yourself? Even if you no get sense, you no fit borrow. You no go die. Borrow. No, let's say the prince later marries you. How are you going to allow him to sleep at night? You want to kill him? See, as I just did like this, don't even provoke me to the extent that I will go to the Igwe and I will tell him everything. You're not gonna like it. Go clear.
You want to go and report heavy mugo na you be. And I'm warning you again. This is the last time I am going to say it. Stay away from me. You see where you sleep yesterday night? Now there will be your bed until you come up for this palace. That is where you will be sleeping. Because nothing will change. Cartoon Network. Waking me up because I'm slow.
Don't worry. The next time you slow, now cigar go for your mouth.
They go punish you where you do.
Madu, man, see, you don't dress up again. Fine girl. Fine girl when it's not. Let's see. Borrow sense, you know we'll die.
Good brothers. Ije, I am happy to see you. I really want to talk to you.
Now that you have seen me, go ahead.
Ichie, please, is there any how someone could be allowed to enter the palace? Eh?
No, why do you ask?
Ichie, or is there any how you can help me? You see, my daughter and I have been having issues. She wants to enter the palace by all means. Ichie, please help me. Whatever it will take, I am ready.
God, the competition have started and there is nothing anyone can do about it.
Ichie, you and I know that if you want to do it, you can do it, Ichie. I said, in any way you want me to appreciate you, Ichie, I am ready. I am very, very ready. Ichie, you are not that too old, eh? Don't you have strength again?
Ego, Ebiakwa. Ngachakwa goko.
Ichie, kamu wacha goko.
Ego, listen to me. Akbakwana waga kalodo. Nchagoko.
Ichie, I will surprise you.
Okay, you know what? Let me see what I can do.
Okay.
I'll see what I can do.
No problem. Ichie, whatever you can do, just let me know. Oh?
I'll do that.
I'll do that. Okay, so when will I come?
No, don't worry. I would rather come to you.
Ichie! Don't help me, I'm ready.
Well, this is our morning routine as instructed by the king. That all you ladies should keep fit for the arrival of the prince. So I want to ask, is there any of you that is not fit enough to be part of this exercise?
I am fit.
Oh, please don't come here and faint.
Mommy, Canada, did they ask you?
Is it your business? What is your problem? Face front. Oh, please. Oh, please.
It's okay. Okay. I assume that all of you are fit. So let's go now. Let's start with this now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Your hands this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let go. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Yeah. Let go. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Oh yeah. Come. This way. Back. Oh. Your back. Give me your back.
Give you a back?
Yes. Squats. Let's see. Yes, see. This way. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. No, shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. 1, 2. Shake it. 1, 2. Shake it. 1, 2. Shake it. 1. Shake it. Shake it. You're not shaking. What is going on?
I don't know why she's looking at me. What is the problem?
Shake it. Shake it.
Hey,
I don't need this. All right, let's go down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. Run this way. No, hold on. Just follow me. You ready? Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. One,
Please
two.
don't come close to me.
One, two, let go. One, two, let go.
Strength out.
One, two, let go. One, two, let go. One, two, let go. One, two, let go. One, two. One, this way.
Hey, I like this one.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, no.
You say what?
The prince will like me like this.
I want you to be fit.
We are fit, sir.
You have to be fit. Right? You have to be fit.
What's your line?
Let's go. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again.
You
Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again.
Oh, shut up. Get out. You are very stupid. I will drag you.
Hey, stop it. I don't need this, please. Right? The prince will soon be back. So we don't need it. Let's go now.
Juliet! Juliet! Oh! Come! Hey! It has happened.
What happened?
Hey! It has happened though.
What happened?
Hey! Look at me. I'm happy dancing.
What happened?
Do you know that I met Uju Ibeh? You know him now?
I know him now.
I met him today and he has promised to help us. You are going to enter the palace finally.
Child, Mommy Shepi, I told you. I told you something could be done. Have you seen it?
You said it.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank you, my
Thank you so much.
You are happy now.
Amara! Beraka Cherem. I'm gonna again at that palace.
Exactly.
You thought I would not come, Abi? Wait and see until I enter there. Him get Maggie, You will regret ever coming into this world.
Do you know what? If you enter that palace, make sure that Amara is evicted from that palace. I want to see her come. Actually, let her come back and cry. Go. Don't fall my hand though.
She has been evicted already. Let me just say that the only thing now that is many for her is to pack her things. As long as the prince sees me, they go do mwagi. They go do. Can you not cause it? Mama, let me go and prepare. You go and prepare. Get ready. Mama, thank you. God bless you for this news. I'm very happy now.
Go down. Well, bring it up. This way. Go down. Bring it up. Come on. Let's go. 3. Let's go. 4. Let's go. 5. Let's go. 6. Let's go. Let's go. Just take it easy. Let's go now. 8. Let's go. 9. Let's go. Go down. Let's do it.
Go down.
Let's go. 10. Let's go. All right. Next person. Let's come.
No, you can't touch me like that. You can't lay your hands on me like that. It's not possible.
Village Canada. Madam Sabi, why don't you go and let him coach you?
She didn't even talk to me like that. Don't try.
Hey, shut up. Hey, shut up.
Please, Harry, I am ready.
It's okay. Tessie, shut up. Let me tell you something. That I'm a security or a servant in this palace does not give you the right to talk to me anyhow. Did you get it?
Oh, please.
I will give the king report on this. Oh yes. And whatever I give to him stands.
Bros,
did you get it?
If you need support to go report down, I'm standing by.
Yes, sir.
I will escort you to.
Will you shut up?
Mommy, shut up!
What is the worry you say?
By the way, I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm very fit.
I don't understand. Don't be me first, you come here constant.
Who be this?
It's okay.
Bouncing baby.
1 minute.
Go that side!
1 minute. Alright. I will.
You will what?
I will deal with you.
Why are you even
You will
here?
say it.
Will you shut up? Deportee, shut up! Deportee, shut up!
It's okay, please. It's
Yeah,
okay.
do her.
Let's go.
Take with the look you.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm very fit.
Sure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow. Bend it well.
I watch you.
I beg stiff.
Wait, don't sit down now.
Sorry to disturb your peeps. Okay. Udoka.
Yeah?
Igwe wants to see you.
She don't enter Wahala.
Follow me now.
Cartoon Network.
Who be this
They
fish?
Go and come back.
Abigail.
They call you.
I go shoot
Shut up,
Go and
Cartoon
come back.
Network.
Hey, it's okay. Let's concentrate and do this, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Take
Go.
it easy. Bend it. Let's go.
You have
Bring
used
it
your
up.
waist.
How
will the
Let's
prince
go again.
use you?
Let's go
You
again.
have used your waist.
Let's bring it up.
Sense.
Let's go again. Three.
You know what? You do me.
Igwe, I greet you, my friend.
Greetings, my dear. Let's sit.
Thank you.
You did not sleep in your room last night.
Do you have any good excuse for that?
Yes, Your Highness. It's Abigail. She doesn't know how to sleep. She was snoring badly. I tried to stop her and she slapped me. And I didn't want to fight her back because I'm not that kind of a person. So I decided to sleep outside my room. You can ask the chief security. He saw me.
Is that all?
Yes, Your Highness.
Well, that was so thoughtful of you. You've done well. You can go.
Thank you, Igwe.
Please call her for me.
Listen, my dear, I think we need to be very careful. You know how men behave once they see ladies? I think he's just trying to protect her, if you ask me.
That's none of my business. Besides, all of them came to this palace to be examined and see who the prince will marry. So, it's their issue, not mine.
Don't mind Harry. I think he has eyes on that girl. I mean, the poor girl is just trying to be herself, if you ask me.
The thing there is, in fact, don't let her touch anything in this house. Not even the tables. I don't want issue, please.
Excuse me? That is why they are here. I wouldn't do that. They would do all of this. They didn't just come here to eat. I mean, none of them is more beautiful than me. Just put it on.
My king, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I had to slap her. It was because of the way she woke me up. She hit me so hard that I had to jump out of my sleep. They don't wake somebody up like that now. I'm sorry.
Well, it's okay, but whatever it is, I want to let you know that this your action is serving as your first warning. And by the time you're 1-3 times here, you'll be forced to leave the palace. And like I told you all, the king is watching. But actually, there is no point pretending. I understand that you were trying to live your normal life.
My king, you are a good man. God will bless you. You will live long.
Thank you.
My king, I was just living the normal way I will live in my house. The same way I sleep in my house was the same way I was trying to sleep. That girl sleeps like a squirrel. She even rubs lip gloss to sleep, pretending as if she's before the Queen of England. My king, I'm just living my natural way. See, even if I marry the prince today, I will still act the same way. They are all pretending so that they can win the heart of the king. My king, I'm the most natural person.
It's okay. I understand your plight. Just be yourself. Live your normal life.
Thank you.
But on no account should you slap anybody again.
I promise, my king, I will not do it again.
Good. What about the exercise? Are you guys done?
Oh, my king, very well. We are keeping fit. We are all jogging.
That's
By the way, my king, you look good.
Thank you.
Your cap sits well on your head.
Thank you.
And would you mind joining us for the exercise? We are shuffling and bubbling.
Thank you.
We have to bubble and shuffle.
Thank you.
My king, let me go and join them back.
Thank you. Wow. This contest is getting more and more interesting.
You want your car. Also, ya can cho. Odozie bayo, obigwe, otosiako.
By the way, babe, that guy is not looking bad.
It's true, Shao. And Udoka told me that he's related to the king somehow.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, if I don't end up with the prince, he wouldn't be a bad idea.
Babe, I know say you're mad before, but I don't say you reach this level. Why are you losing focus? Is that what brought you here?
Shut up! Wait till they cause this nonsense now where they yarn so. What's your problem? If I say I don't do again, I by force, it concern you.
She know they catch you. Small gist, small gossip I give you. You know, put eye for the boy, but you're eyeing him already.
I don't know what you're talking about. You too like gossip, Seth. Come on, only you carry gossip, come. Now you won't lecture me about focusing on what brought me here. You go bring poison, bring the solution. You go bring gossip, bring advice.
Yeah.
I better get out.
Don't know anything.
I don't even know why they follow you.
Small gist, you put
Ooh, you gossip,
they put
gossip.
eyes for the boy body.
At least I dey real. I dey talk wetin I want.
Look, Tessie, all I'm saying is you don't have to look down on that guy. You talk carelessly to him too much.
Meaning what? Hello? I should allow him to touch my boobs and my ass? A common security guard? That's not possible. It is not possible. Okay?
Look, he is a game instructor. Anyone can hold your waist that way as long as it's related to the game, period. Besides, I heard it's related to the king.
And so what? And so what? Listen, he is not the prince of a land. Now, need I remind you that I came back from Canada? Canada, girl. Listen up. If it's not the prince, it is not the prince. If he not be the prince, he not be the prince. So, girl, get your act right, okay? I'm not going to allow some security guard touch me. Impossible. Never.
Look, let's just try and be ourselves in this palace. Let's not form what we are not.
What do you mean by that? Who is forming? Do you know who I am? Do you know the countries I've been to? I've been to London. I've been to Canada. Of course you know that. I've been to New York. I've been to so many places. Where have you been? Where? Nonsense.
I hear you, Madam Canada.
What the hell? Just get away. Go. Do you know the color of my skin? Of course you do not know. Stainless. Oh my days. Ouch.
So in your mind now you have done your worst. Eh? But not to worry. In just a little time, I will make you understand now. There are people who run this town. I will teach you a big lesson. Don't worry. Why are you ranting now? No. If someone comes to you to say why you're disturbing me, what are you going to say? You know you've been saying, now you run the time, now you get the time, now you're own, everything to your side. So between you and I, who they run now? Thank your God that I did not tell the Igwe to disqualify you for slapping me. Every Mugu when you get sense. You want to tell the Igwe to disqualify me? No, the one when you talk now, waiting happen. Am I not still here? Am I not still seated here with you? Waiting happen. At least, you have one yellow card now. Once the next yellow card comes, you know what you follow now, red card, phew, and then you leave this palace. Don't say that it's a dull card that made you to spoil your destiny. Madam, play your card in peace. Else you'll be expelled. So if person want make the expel me come out for this palace, now you screw it. Cartoon Network. Now you go make the expel me. But your common sense no tell you say my father now one of the cabinet chiefs. Nothing can happen. I will not go anywhere. So stop disturbing yourself. Just calm down. Stop disturbing yourself.
You see, I like when they make mouths. It sweets me. The only mouths you get. You two avoid me. What is it? You want me to run away from you? Who you be? Now your papa get this palace. If you get away, what they find for you? Why they can't drag man with us? I'm not gonna run away from you. Now you go wrong. Let's see who will get expelled.
You want they'll call. Also ya can nacho. Odosie bayo. Obigwe. Otosiako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere.
Hey, Iche Ibeh. No. What you are saying is not possible. And you know it. Or did you just say it to know my reaction?
Emeka, know your reaction for what? You are the secretary of the committee. Yes. I know what I'm saying.
Go back and tell whosoever that sent you to me that it is not possible. It is not. This woman, Madam Egod, she's very desperate to see that her daughter goes to the palace. And why should it be so?
Emeka, if Madam Egod is ready to give us money, let us collect the money and use it wisely. We have needs in our families. Be reasonable.
Iche Ibeh, count me off. I don't want to be involved in this. We have not collected a dime from anyone ever since this arrangement. We did not do that. And we cannot just start it now. Whosoever that failed the audition should go back home.
You don't change the goalpost at the middle of the match. It's not done. I don't want to be involved. If you want to do it, go to Igwe.
Emeka.
Settle with Igwe and do it.
Emeka, you are talking to Uju Okoli. Listen to me. Remember that you are tenor. You are just an ad hoc, interim secretary to the competition. Immediately the end of the competition, your tenor is gone. You go back to your imperial life. Oh, Emeka, be reasonable and wise.
I don't care. Once the competition is over, I will go home. That's no problem. But I don't want to soil my hand in this. I don't want to do that. You can go ahead and do it. Now, if you wouldn't mind, excuse me.
Emeka, you are working out on Igwe. Uju Okoli. Emeka, come here. You remain Obenye and die. Emeka!
What's wrong? Eat now. Eat tea and bread. Which kind of nonsense tea and bread be this? Eh? Bomboy! Bomboy, come on! You don't take tea and bread.
Who called me?
Now me call you.
I want chocolate tea. Do you want still tea?
Which tea? Please give me fufu and soup. Huh? For breakfast?
I mean, what else do you expect for breakfast? Fufu.
Alright.
Desi, shut up and allow the poor girl request for what she wants. My goodness!
Who is talking? Oh, please, don't speak to me.
Fake Canada.
Idiot. What is going on?
Okay, is that what you want? I'll bring it.
See, if I eat this tea and bread before 12 o'clock, hunger go wire me. But if I eat it once, I go dey okay. Why you go laughing?
Babe, no vessel. But you see, I like your style. I like how they do you. You know they form with you, babe. Or like
fake Canada.
Some people when I know, they did their face. Keep them, you know them.
If I use this tea, rub your face, and they can say the bad person.
Shut your teeth.
All this one they laugh. As I dey here like this, if I no see Prince collect, make I see food chop now. Make I for fat.
What else is alright? Let me bring the tea for you. It's obvious needs you go web. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Poverty is damn bad.
Oh, you sabi.
Ooh.
Fake Canada.
You need to tie your teeth.
Listen, my word is my bond. I am telling you that this is going to be hilarious. You don't have anything to worry about. After all, you will be coming here very soon, right? Please come in. Next week is just by the corner. Excuse me, I'll talk to you. 1 minute.
You sent for me, sir?
Yes, I did. What exactly are they doing right now?
They are eating now, sir.
As soon as they're done eating, tell them that I want to talk to all of them.
I will, sir.
Go and get my tea.
Okay, sir. Immediately.
You do not talk to me like I'm a child. For all I know, you're just a security guard. So you should accord me some respect. Am I understood? You get that?
Jesse, you're biting more than you can chew in this palace. And I'm not happy about it.
And what are you going to do about that?
Tessie, must you show your stupidity every second? Why on earth are you insulting him?
Oh, shoot shit!
But Tessie, he didn't say anything bad. Would you be happy if I was dead?
Will you keep quiet? Who are you?
I don't blame any of you. I don't blame you at all. If not poverty, I wonder what would have made you girls come here, battle and fight over a prince.
Oh, please. Bros, match break. Hold on, I beg. I use God name to beg you. Why are you categorizing all of us? See, now mommy Canada insults you. Why you they insult all of us? I beg. Anybody will insult you, use your anger face her. No carry out. Why they even talk for this one self? No use and face me.
Hey, see this one talking. Are you talking to me? Huh?